everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be a festive kurti set try on haul. I feel this is going to be one of my favorite kurti set try on haul video. Everything that I've got, I am in love with. The quality, the color, everything is 10 on 10. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Also, I feel this is the perfect timing to post this video because festive season to chal hi raha hai, wedding season bhi chal raha hai, and the clothes that I've got are perfect for these occasions. So I don't want to delay anymore. Let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
So this is the first set that I got. Let's see the kurta first. Wow, wow, wow. Just look at that beautiful color. It's a beautiful wine color. And ये कलर का ना एक सिमिलर साड़ी है मेरे पास जो मैंने मेरे भाई के शादी में पहना हुआ था और मुझे इतना पसंद है. It's the same exact color and as soon as I saw this on the website, I just knew I had to have it. And it looked so good on the model as well. I'll pop the picture over here. वैसे का वैसा ही आया हुआ है. So I'm very happy about it. Also material wise is so freaking soft. Material इसका है silk chinon, very comfortable on the skin. You won't even feel like you're wearing anything. It's very comfortable because it has that silk chinon material. It looks very luxurious. Even on the camera, photos mein, it just looks very luxurious. So it's a plus. Especially for the price that you're paying, this is a steal product, I would say. Fit and style wise, this is an Anarkali suit जो मेरे पास बहुत कम है, so it fits over here and then it flares. I love that it has the zari work at the border as well. यहाँ पर नहीं है, but यहाँ पर है. And then it slits quite high. Let's talk about the plazo now. Same material है, love it, very luxurious and just when you hold that material, you just know that it's good material. This is that. It is a plazo pant, by the way, and it has the same zari work going on, very plain, and it has a little bit of work going on at the bottom, and it has an elastic thing over here. The only thing I am upset about कि यहाँ पर pockets बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिया हुआ है. That's my only problem with this. Other than that, it's a 10 on 10 product, a must have from my end. Let's move on to the next kurti set that I've got. This is how the kurta looks like. Absolutely love the mustard yellow color. If you've shopped online, you would know finding this yellow color is so freaking difficult. हर कुर्ती पे लिखा रहता है mustard yellow. It's not mustard yellow. This is mustard yellow. और कुछ अलग ही yellow भेज देते हैं. Finally, I found the perfect haldi mustard color. This looks so freaking good. I love the contrast of this pearlish white work that's going on. It looks so freaking good and contrast में भी ये कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. Material wise, this is a silk blend. As you can see, it looks really good and luxurious. Let's talk about the sleeves now. It has a 3/4 sleeve and ये थोड़ा bell sleeve जैसा है. Once you will wear it, you will see that it gives a very nice shape to your body. So silai work 10 on 10, fabric 10 on 10, quality 10 on 10, everything 10 on 10 on this. And this is how the pant looks like. Again, it has this is how the bottom looks like. I love that they've given some work over here as well. And it also comes with a odni. Just take a moment and adore this odni. ये पूरे outfit को ना ये 10 on 10 बना देता है. इतना प्यारा odni दिया हुआ है. I absolutely love this beautiful delicate lace work that's going on over here. Love it. It just complements and makes this whole outfit a 10 on 10 from my end. Absolutely grab it. It's a beautiful kurti. Moving on to the next one that I got. It's a beautiful bottle green color. So this is how the top kurta looks like. First of all, absolutely love the bottle green color. मेरे पास ना ये color का कोई भी कुर्ता या कोई भी top भी नहीं है. So I was very happy to see the color. It looks absolutely beautiful. Love the work that's going on over here. Again ये print नहीं है, ये work किया हुआ है, अच्छे से भरा हुआ work है, which looks really good. Other than that, it's a plain kurta. This is again a silk blend material, feels extremely light and comfortable on your skin. It will just flow very beautifully. Again, gives a very nice silhouette. Stitch 10 on 10, quality 10 on 10. The material and the work that's going on 10 on 10. It also has a 3/4 sleeve. It also has this beautiful work on the sleeve right over here. कोई relative का wedding, कोई friend का wedding. This is the kind of clothes that I would wear. Also for festive wear, like this is such good kapda. This is how the pant looks like. Again, it has this stretchable elastic, and this is how the bottom looks like. Agar aap koi aur kurta lete ho, you feel like they do a lot of work on the kurta and pant, but they'll just give some random ass ordni. But I feel ordnis do add a lot of character to your clothing. And this ordni, wow, I absolutely love the work that's going on over here. It just complements the whole outfit so freaking well. A 10 on 10, and it will look so good. All the outfits would look so good with some nice, clear heels. Wow, I love it. This is definitely a 10 on 10 and a must have from my end. I feel सबको मैं 10 on 10 दे रही हूँ, but honestly, all of them are really good, so I can't give less. Let's talk about the one that I'm wearing right now. This beautiful royal blue color. I love the color. I feel like I love the color on all of them, but this is again a very pretty kurta. Love the work that's going on over here. It's again a silk blend, so it looks really good on camera and it feels amazing. This is how the 3/4 sleeve look like. Also, it has a nice work going on over here as well. Let's move on to the pant over here. Again, it's a stretchy elastic. It does not have pockets and it's just the same material, but look at that shine on that material. Do you understand what I'm talking about? It looks so freaking luxurious, and this is how the bottom looks like. Again, wow, look at the work going on in the bottom as well. Like they've paid attention on the details. It gives a lot of weight at the bottom, and just the silhouette and everything flows really well. So this is the top and bottom. Let's talk about the odni. I feel like odni, I think it's same brand ke hai. Iske liye it's almost similar but different color. I don't mind. I'll rather take this over the plain as basic odnis that you normally get. Again, everything all together as an outfit, it ties together beautifully, and a 10 on 10 product from my end. And the last kurta set that I want to talk about is this beautiful burgundy kurta set. Look at that color. It almost looks like a wine color, but this is definitely a more on the burgundy side. This is by this brand called Indoera. Love their products. It's just good quality at a very affordable price, I would say. And look at the work that's going on over here. बाकी सबसे इसका जो work हो रखा है ना, वो थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा colorful है. That was more of like a monotone, एक पे एक contrast. But this has beautiful different like colors and work that's going on. Look at this. Also all over ना ये flower का detailing भी किया हुआ है. So this is definitely a little bit more भरा हुआ when it comes to kurta, I would say. It also has a 3/4 sleeve right over here. Okay, this is how the pant looks like. Very similar material, plain, and it has this similar work going on and the pant as well. No pockets, but very comfortable, very soft. This is how the ओढ़नी looks like. I definitely feel the ओढ़नी के वजह से मैंने ये कुर्ता लिया है. It's so different, it's so beautiful, and it just complements the, like, look at that detailing. और ये पूरा ओढ़नी पे अलग अलग ऐसे ये work किया हुआ है. The only problem I have with this ओढ़नी is लेंथ वाइज ये इतना ही है. Maybe it will look nice because ये अगर मुझे सिर्फ ऐसे ही लेना है, then it's a perfect length. But someone who wants like a big oldney, like how the rest of them were, so this is not the one. But I actually like the length. It's not bad. And yeah, overall, this is how the outfit looks like. And again, a 10 on 10, absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous kurtis. Everything, I'm in love with it. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, which kurti set was your favorite? मेरे तो सारे favorite है. With that said, सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूंगी. I'll also upload my storefront link where you'll get all the kurti एक जगह पे एक साथ. You don't have to worry about it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.